Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Educational Networks. I'd like to show you how easily you can add new donation funds on your website. This can be a great option. For example, if you're looking to raise money for new equipment for the football team, or you're creating a scholarship fund. We're going to say that we're creating this for Green Tech senior class trip for next year to go to Washington, D.C., and we're looking to raise money for that. Here's what we want to do. Step 1, we go to that main menu button in the lower left corner of the screen. Step 2, we're going to go right over to Operations, and we open up Donations. Next, we go in, press Add Fund, and basically all we have to do here is simply go in and fill in the different details. We start with the titles. We're going to type out 2027 Green Tech Senior Class Trip to Washington, D.C. Donation Drive. All right, I think that sounds pretty good. If it's not, we can always go in and work on that later on. Next step's critical. We got to make sure that the funds are going to go to the correct merchant account. Now, to do this, we want to go in, we check the drop down. So in this case, we actually are just going to have it go to our default Green Tech account, so we'll leave that as is. The next step's just as important. Status. Now, let's say that you're drafting this to launch next week. Not a problem. You can definitely do that. What you would want to make sure to do first, though, just go under Status and switch to Inactive. Today, though, we want this to launch right away. So what I'm doing is I'm just going in, leaving that as active. Underneath this, you have where you can enter in the goal amount. It's important to note, though, that this is information that's solely for your use. It does not go on the public website. Now, it's also something that's not going to affect the donation fund itself. It doesn't stop funds or anything like that. What we're going to do here is we're going to start by adding in the goal amount. So we'll say the goal amount in this case is going to be $10,000. Just type that out. Perfect. Next is the goal date. So this trip's going to say happen in March. We would probably want this to finish up around January, so maybe midway through January. So I'm just going to click on this little calendar icon and select January, probably around maybe January 15th. So we select January 15th. And we'll add the amount raised. So we'll say in this case, maybe we've raised $100. But this does not affect the donation fund. So that is something important to note. Next, let's add a description of this donation drive. I'm just going to go in, I'm going to copy, paste this in. Now, maybe we want to go in, we want to spruce this up a little bit, right? We have some AI options that can help us with that. Maybe we want to make this sound a little bit smoother. So I definitely want to use this here. I'm just going to highlight over the text. And I'm clicking on the star button here on the left side of this little toolbar we have. Cool. And we got these different options. Probably the one I'm going to go with. I don't need to necessarily make this overly formal, but I think we can make it sound a little bit smoother using Polish. Press Polish, and what that does, that's going to generate a suggestion for us. That sounds perfect. Now let's say we don't like what it says, not a problem. We could always press Regenerate and it'll give us another suggestion. We're going to go in and use this, so all I need to do now is I press Replace. Perfect. Let's say that you have a description or maybe another area of the site that has more information about this trip, well, the cool thing is you can do that. You can add a link to that page as well. So that way there's a link from where people are viewing this information onto the website and they can view more information about the trip. In this case, though, we're going to go in and move ahead to add on photos. In this case here, I'm just going in, I press choose files, and maybe this photo right here is a photo from this year's trip. That would be a good one to add. I click on the image and press open. After this, we have another step. It is optional, but it's a good one to consider where you can add an acknowledgement message here. So there is a default option that can be used as well. For today, we're going to stick with the default option. What I need to do next, and to officially go in and essentially launch this new donation drive, is I'm going to go in and press save. And now I'm going to refresh the screen. So one thing is, as we look here, we're on the donations page. One thing to note, there's two main options for donations. You have the option for quick donate, but you also have an option where registered users can sign in. And what's great about that is they can go in and they can set up recurring donations. So that's a great option to have, because recurring donations, that encourages people to donate more. They can donate a larger amount over time. Today, let's go in and look though at the quick donate option. I open up quick donate and we scroll down. Perfect. We see our new trip and we see that we've gone in and we've added this successfully.